Welcome to our YouTube video on 10 ways to earn money by selling digital products. In this video, we will explore various digital products that you can create and sell to generate income online. Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. Selling digital products has become a popular avenue for individuals to showcase their skills and expertise while earning a passive income. So, let's dive into the top 10 ways to monetize your talents through digital products. 1. E-books. The first way to earn money is by creating and selling e-books. Share your knowledge on a specific subject, whether it's a self-help guide, a recipe book, or a how-to manual. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and sell your e-books to a global audience. 2. Online courses. Tap into the booming e-learning industry by creating and selling online courses. Identify your area of expertise and develop comprehensive courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Share your knowledge and help others acquire new skills while earning income from course enrollments. 3. Stock photos. If you have a passion for photography, selling stock photos can be a great way to earn money. Capture high-quality images of various subjects and sell them on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Businesses and individuals are always in need of eye-catching visuals for their marketing materials. 4. Graphic design templates. If you're skilled in graphic design, create and sell digital templates for various purposes. Offer ready-to-use social media templates, website designs, logo templates, or presentation slides. Marketplaces like Creative Market or Etsy allow you to showcase and sell your designs to a wide audience. 5. Web themes and templates. Develop and sell website themes and templates for popular platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Cater to specific niches or industries and provide customizable designs that make it easier for businesses to establish their online presence. Platforms like ThemeForest or TemplateMonster can help you reach potential buyers. 6. Digital artwork. If you have a talent for digital art, selling your artwork as digital downloads or prints can be a lucrative option. Platforms like Etsy or Society6 provide a platform for showcasing and selling your artwork to art enthusiasts. Create unique and captivating pieces to attract buyers. 7. Music and audio. If you're musically inclined, consider creating and selling royalty-free music tracks, sound effects, or audio loops. Content creators, video producers, or game developers are always in search of high-quality audio assets. Websites like Audio Jungle or Pond5 offer a platform for selling your digital audio creations. 8. Mobile apps or plugins. Tap into the ever-growing mobile market by developing and selling mobile apps or plugins. Identify a problem or gap in the market and offer innovative solutions through your digital creations. Whether it's an app for productivity, photo editing, or fitness tracking, platforms like the App Store or Google Play can help you reach a wide audience. 9. Templates for presentations or documents. Create and sell templates for presentations, resumes, business proposals, or other documents. Professionals and businesses are often looking for well-designed templates that can save them time and effort. Platforms like Graphic River or Canva allow you to sell your templates to a global market. 10. Virtual tools or software. Lastly, consider developing and selling virtual tools or software that address specific needs or challenges. This could include productivity tools, project management software, or specialized calculators. Offer unique features and a user-friendly experience to attract buyers. Marketplaces like Gumroad or your own website can help you sell your digital tools. Selling digital products is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and knowledge while reaching a global audience. Whether it's through e-books, online courses, stock photos, or graphic design templates, there are countless opportunities to showcase your talents and earn. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.